Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to pull up Amazon August 30th, 1750 call chart, their hourly calls. When the call charts were up here at $76, they went straight down. Now remember, 99% of the people have never seen a call chart or a put chart, let them know how to get one. So this got down here, it's on sale. I'm going to go right over here. This is an Amazon $1,800 put chart. And these puts that we were buying were down here at $18. On Friday, they went from $20.60 to a high up here of $60.05. Now, one was inflated as of now. The call side of the market, remember Amazon dropped 60 points on Friday. Take our course for $495 and learn how to use call charts and put charts right along with the stock chart. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep this here, and this is how it works, my friends. We give out the orders intraday to make $40. You had 5 contracts, that's 20 grand. How about this one? Buying it, look at here. This was at $75. The low on Friday, 1750 call. The low, believe it or not, 27.45. They lost all that money going all the way down. And then they made all the money going all the way up, which was done on Friday. 99% of your people do not use call charts or put charts. They haven't seen them. They don't know how to use them. Not only that, for $495, you can learn how we will do our introductory with you, and we'll also give out some limit orders to buy and sell while you're going through everything. I would get going right now. There's a lot of money to be made. 99% of traders that trade options do not even see the call or put charts. You know, we would like to take you down the right road in using both. Once again, the stock dropped on Amazon on Friday, $64, and it did. When that stock dropped like a rock, that 1,850, these were deflated. They cannot mathematically ever stay down there. They will not. And mathematically, now that they're up here at the top, they can't stay up there either. Just like over here on the 1750 call. Yeah, they can come down a little bit lower, but they will not stay there mathematically. Mathematically, there will be an adjustment to go up from here, and an adjustment on the $1,800 puts will come back down. By understanding the actual stock chart on a daily on Amazon, you have to be able to take that stock chart and apply it to what strike prices that we're going to do. And we give out the orders. Your whole life will change if you take action today. 702-685-0772. And just remember that these contracts, people got killed in these things. And right now, the 1750 call is going to be on sale because it's going to be deflated, and we know how to get in here, and we'll make some good money. We do also know that the put chart over here and their hourly, they're going to come down, and there's going to be a readjustment. Knowing how to make money on the put side, knowing how to make money by buying the bottom end of the call side, by applying call charts, put charts, also using the daily chart on the stock, Amazon.com. Big moves happen like this a lot of times every day. And let us take you down a road that you have never been to. All you have to do is sign up for the free 5-day trial. We're going to do some orders together, and we're going to go in depth with you, and your whole life will change.